At the core of making, I don't think you can make anything if you don't feel something. That intimidation, that starting from a fresh canvas, the challenge begins. Making art, I think it's something that's nurtured. The learning only happens when the student engages in that process.
I came from Brazil to Miller because of my brother. He came before me. I was always interested in art, but it became a passion on the past 4 years. My sketch was just the behind the scenes. It's the behind the scenes of that. It's just a little bit more messy.
You expose the students to the basic knowledge and technique. Your heart might be the motivating factor. There's a mechanical element, a tool that needs to be mastered. The great art is when those two worlds collide.
I started taking art since my first year, and having way more of a program, actually learn what is behind an art process. You learn the skill, so then you can break all the rules.
One of the lessons I try to teach the students is slow down and be patient. Having a sense of purpose. We talk about the differences between looking and seeing.
This is my favorite part of the process. I just like to watch the photo kind of become the photo.
As an instructor, it's important not to intervene too early. The creative process includes mistakes, and I think that's where a lot of the lessons come from.
Guys, the Monday night show, we get to tell this story one more time to people that truly love you. We want you guys to take risks out there. We want you guys to have a ton of fun today.
I believe art allows us to explore your own emotions, escape the constraints of a mathematical equation, explore your own perspectives on the world.
With art, you always get lost in time. I get lost with what's going on around me. I get to understand what I'm feeling. I feel like I'm almost meditating. My mind just goes away.
Making art is never complete. You continue to engage in the process, but all along you're reflecting on the journey. And that's when I think you start to grow and mature as an artist.